The importance of choosing the right programming language. The importance of selecting the right programming language cannot be overstated. It's a decision that can significantly impact your efficiency as a developer and the success of your projects. Here's why. 1. Project compatibility. Different programming languages are suited for different types of projects. For instance, JavaScript for web, Python for data. The wrong choice can lead to unnecessary complications and hinder progress. 2. Career opportunities. Your expertise in a particular language can open or limit career opportunities, so aligning your skills with market demands is essential for career growth. 3. Project efficiency. Some languages are more efficient for specific tasks. Choosing the right one can mean faster development, fewer bugs, or wrong language can lead to lengthy development cycles. 4. Community and support. It provides access to libraries, frameworks, and a wealth of knowledge. 5. Scalability. Consider the scalability of your project. It's crucial to choose a language that can accommodate it. 6. Personal preference. Your own preferences and coding style matter. Enjoying the process of coding in a particular language can significantly boost productivity and job satisfaction. High-level programming languages. High-level languages are the workhorses of modern software development, prized for their ease of use and versatility. Let's delve into 3 prominent types. Python. Python has evolved from a niche language into an absolute juggernaut in the programming world. Known for its readability and simplicity, here's why. Versatility. Python is incredibly versatile and capable of powering web applications, data analysis, machine learning, and more. It has extensive standard library. Readability. Python's elegant syntax emphasizes readability, making it easy to understand and maintain code. Large community. Python boasts a large and active community. JavaScript. JavaScript is the backbone of web development, responsible for the dynamic and interactive features you encounter on websites. Key points about JavaScript include: client-side dominance. JavaScript primarily operates on the client side, making web pages more interactive and responsive. It's essential for building modern web applications. Node.js. With the advent of Node.js, JavaScript has expanded its reach to server-side development. Frameworks and libraries. JavaScript has a vast ecosystem of frameworks and libraries like React, Angular, and Vue.js, which simplify front-end development. C#. C# is a high-level language developed by Microsoft, known for its versatility and applicability across various domains. Here's why C# stands out. Platform independence. C# is not confined to Windows, it's cross-platform. With .NET Core, now .NET 6, you can develop applications for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Unity game development. C# is a staple in game development, particularly with the Unity engine. This makes it an attractive choice for aspiring game developers. Strongly typed. C# is statically typed, which means it catches errors at compile time, enhancing code reliability. Functional programming languages. These programming languages are gaining prominence in the software development world, offering a different paradigm that emphasizes immutability, first-class functions, and a focus on declarative programming. Let's explore 3 notable examples. Haskell. Haskell is a language where mathematical rigor meets practical coding. Key features include: immutability. Haskell encourages immutability, making it easier to reason about the behavior of code and preventing many common bugs related to mutable data. Type system. Haskell boasts a powerful and expressive type system that can catch many errors at compile time, ensuring a high degree of code correctness. Lazy evaluation. Haskell uses lazy evaluation, meaning it only computes values when needed. This can lead to more efficient code in some cases. Scala. Scala combines functional and object-oriented programming seamlessly, offering the best of both worlds. Here's why Scala stands out. Compatibility with Java. Scala runs on the Java Virtual Machine, JVM, allowing for easy interoperability with Java code and access to the extensive Java ecosystem. Functional features. Scala incorporates functional programming concepts like immutability and higher-order functions, which provide concise and expressive code. Concurrency. Scala has powerful concurrency libraries like Akka, making it an excellent choice for building highly concurrent and distributed systems. Clojure. Clojure is a Lisp dialect designed for the Java Virtual Machine, JVM, focusing on simplicity, immutability, and interactive development. Key attributes include simplicity. Clojure's minimalist syntax and functional approach make it a compelling choice for developers who appreciate clean and concise code. Immutable data structures. Clojure encourages the use of immutable data structures, which leads to safer and more predictable code. Concurrency. Clojure excels at managing concurrency with its software transactional memory (STM) system, making it suitable for building robust and scalable systems. Low-level programming languages. Low-level programming languages are the bedrock of system programming, providing precise control over hardware and resources. Here, we delve into three influential low-level languages: C, C++, and Rust. C. C is known for its simplicity, portability, and power. It has stood the test of time and continues to be a critical language for systems programming. Key aspects include portability. C was designed to be highly portable, allowing code to run on different platforms with minimal modification. Ideal choice for developing operating systems and embedded systems. Efficiency. C offers a high level of control over system resources, making it possible to write extremely efficient code. Legacy. Many foundational software systems and libraries are written in C, cementing its significance in the programming world. C++. C++ builds on the foundation of C and extends it with object-oriented features. It offers both low-level control and high-level abstractions, making it a versatile choice for a wide range of applications. Highlights include object-oriented. C++ supports object-oriented programming, enabling developers to model complex systems using classes and objects. This approach enhances code organization and reusability. STL, Standard Template Library. C++ comes with a robust standard library that includes containers, algorithms, and utilities. The STL simplifies many common programming tasks. Performance. C++ retains the performance advantages of C while adding high-level abstractions. This makes it suitable for projects where performance is crucial. Rust. Rust is a relative newcomer that has quickly gained attention for its emphasis on safety, memory management, and performance. Here's why Rust stands out. Memory safety. Rust's borrow checker enforces strict rules about memory management, preventing common programming errors like null pointer dereferences and data races. Concurrency. Rust excels at handling concurrent programming with its ownership system, making it safe to write concurrent code. Performance. Despite its strong safety features, Rust delivers performance comparable to C and C++, where security and efficiency are paramount. Specialized Carbon Programming Languages. Specialized carbon programming languages are emerging as cutting-edge tools that promise to shape the future of computing. Two prominent examples in this category are Carbon and Silicon. Carbon. Carbon is a groundbreaking programming language designed specifically for quantum computing. Key characteristics of Carbon include quantum abstractions. Carbon abstracts complex quantum operations, making it accessible to a broader range of developers. It shields programmers from the intricacies of quantum mechanics while allowing them to leverage its power. Scalability. Carbon is built with scalability in mind, enabling developers to work on increasingly powerful quantum hardware as it becomes available. Quantum simulators. Carbon provides a means to simulate quantum algorithms on classical computers, allowing developers to experiment and innovate. Silicon. Silicon is tailored for an entirely different realm of computing, neuromorphic computing. Neuromorphic systems aim to mimic the functioning of the human brain. Silicon offers neural circuit abstractions. Silicon simplifies the development of neuromorphic systems by providing abstractions for neural circuits. It allows programmers to model and implement brain-inspired algorithms more effectively. Energy efficiency. Neuromorphic computing emphasizes energy efficiency, and silicon is designed with this principle in mind. It enables the creation of energy-efficient systems capable of processing massive amounts of data in real time. AI and robotics. Neuromorphic computing powered by languages like Silicon has the potential to revolutionize artificial intelligence, robotics, and other fields that require real-time, brain-like processing. SQL programming languages. Structured Query Language, or SQL, is the backbone of database management systems, DBMS, and plays a pivotal role in handling and manipulating data. In this section, we'll explore SQL and its specialized extension, PL/SQL. SQL. SQL is the de facto standard language for managing and querying relational databases. Its capabilities include data retrieval. SQL allows you to retrieve specific data from a database with precision. It uses queries to filter, sort, and retrieve information from tables. Data modification. SQL enables you to add, update, or delete data within a database. This is essential for maintaining data accuracy and integrity. Data definition. SQL also provides commands for defining the structure of databases, including creating tables, specifying constraints, and defining relationships between tables. Multi-platform compatibility. SQL is supported by virtually all major relational database management systems, including MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, and Microsoft SQL Server. PL/SQL. PL/SQL, or Procedural Language for SQL, is an extension of SQL introduced by Oracle Corporation. It adds powerful procedural capabilities to SQL, allowing developers to build robust database-driven applications. Key features of PL/SQL include procedural logic. PL/SQL enables the creation of procedures, functions, triggers, and packages, adding a layer of procedural logic to SQL. This makes it possible to develop complex applications within the database. Error handling. PL/SQL includes robust error handling mechanisms, making it easier to identify and manage errors within database procedures and functions. Security. PL/SQL provides a secure environment for executing code within the database. It's a key component in ensuring the security and integrity of sensitive data. Performance optimization. PL/SQL allows developers to optimize the performance of database operations by precompiling and storing procedures and functions within the database. In conclusion, selecting the right programming language is not just a technical decision, it's a strategic one. The choice can influence a project's success, development time, scalability, and even long-term maintenance. By carefully considering factors such as project requirements, performance needs, team expertise, and future goals, developers and organizations can ensure that they are building on a solid foundation. In the ever-evolving world of technology, making informed choices today paves the way for innovation and success tomorrow.